Hey, Weeb, you know what we got here?
Yep, we got a spray paint gun.
A spray paint gun, yeah. High volume, low pressure electric spray gun. I got it because I'm tired of having the hands paint my bee boxes every year. So go ahead and open it up, will you?
Okay.
Pull that part out.
Okay. Oh, we got it. Okay.
This was $35 Amazon Prime.
Here you go.
All right. I mean, it's plastic. It's kind of heavy duty plastic. You can feel it. It's not so heavy that you can't maneuver it around, but you do feel the weight of the motor.
Oh, we forgot to say too.
Comes with, I think this is called a viscosity, I don't know. I've never had one of these. I know it comes with different tips, some instructions, some cleaning tools, right? For $35, I figure if it doesn't work all that good, I'm not out a lot. But it's not the cheapest one out there, so I feel like hopefully it'll be a good value for the buck. We gotta go out and spray paint some bee boxes. All right, so we're about to use our spray paint. Had to thin out regular gallon latex paint with some water. This is actually a viscosity cup. I didn't know anything about it. Had to look at the instructions, but it comes with it. And it's got a hole. Basically, it's a big funnel. What you do is you put your thumb over the end, fill it up with the paint, take your thumb off, and see how long it takes this 1/10 of a liter cup to empty. It says for this spray gun, it should take 20 to 45 seconds to dump it all out. Any more than that, and it's too thick, any less than that, and it's too thin. All right, now we've used it and cleaned it up, and all I did was just, rinse off the outside, put clean water in here, and then just run it, shooting in my hand until clean water came out. All right, it cleaned up really easy, and I noticed that when it was thinner, it tended to spray better. So when I cleaned up, I actually got, when I first started spraying on my hand, it got a smoother coat, I guess. I probably should have ran water through it to start with, because that was the first. I just poured paint in it and went. And that's probably why it was a little lumpy. Like I said, I don't do this for a living. I just read the instructions. And that's really the only complaint that I have with this electric high velocity low pressure spray gun is the instructions kind of sucked. Right, they were kind of hard to read, but it isn't that hard. This unscrews, you can put the new nozzle in, this turns, right, there's the trigger, there's a sealed switch at the top, right. This is kind of hard, it likes to plop out, but if you're going to spray down, you want it, if you're going to spray down, then you want that facing up. If you're going to spray up, you want that facing the back of the canister, right? So the water will pool. But for $35, like I said, you can't really beat it. It didn't do a bad job on my bee boxes, since they're just bee boxes, and I'm not painting them for looks. I'm painting them so that I don't have to buy new ones every year. Can't really beat it. So there you go. Thanks.